Hello and welcome everyone, Damali here. Are you ready to decode the world of data? Do you want to transform raw numbers into meaningful insight that drive impactful decision? If that sounds exciting, then congratulations, you've landed in the right place. Welcome to our comprehensive SQL tutorial specially crafted for aspiring data analysts. In this series, not only will we explore the depth of databases and unlock the power of data manipulation, but we will also be working on real projects together. Yes, you heard that right. You'll be getting your hands dirty with actual data set, applying what you've learned in real time from the basic select statement to complex join. We will be covering it all using these tools to solve practical problems. So are you ready to become a data-driven decision maker? Then do me a favor and poke the subscribe button, ring the bell like you mean it. Let's send some positive vibes to the YouTube algorithm. Let's get started. What is SQL? SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, is a programming language used to manage and manipulate databases. Developers use SQL to create, modify, and extract data from relational databases, as well as control user access to the database. SQL operates through simple declarative statements. This keeps data accurate and secure, helps maintain the integrity of data regardless of size. The language is incredibly flexible and powerful, and it is used in a wide variety of roles from web development to data analysis and beyond. The main types of SQL command include create to make new database and data object, select to find and retrieve data, insert to add new data, update to change existing data, and delete pretty much to remove data. Let me walk you guys through an example. Let's say you are in a huge library with thousands of books on numerous shelves. There are all kinds of books, fiction, non-fiction, comic, and encyclopedia, you name it, but you are looking for a specific book. Let's say Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. How will you find it? You could wander around looking at every single bookshelf until you find it, but that will take ages. Instead of you ask the librarian because they know exactly where every book is located. You say, I want Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, and the librarian takes you right to it. In this case, SQL is like the librarian, but for data. It knows exactly where everything is stored in a massive database. So when you ask SQL or query it, something like, I want all the data where the person's name is Luna, SQL can quickly and effectively get that data for you. It's a way to search through and manage large set of data just like a librarian in a huge library. Now that we've covered the definition and example, let's jump right in and set up our SQL environment. We'll be using MySQL for this tutorial as it's a popular choice. It's robust, and best of all, it's free. So without further ado, here are the steps to go get MySQL and get up running on our system. Navigate to the official MySQL website. I've tapped the link in the description to make things start easy. So let's click on the download button, and what we need here, we don't need an enterprise edition, we don't need cluster. What we need is the community version. So this one down there below, which says the community, this one is what we need. So we're gonna go ahead and click it, and then from here we'll click the installer for Windows, and we're gonna go ahead and click on this particular download, the one below. And it will take us to this page, and on this page we don't need to sign up or log in, so we're gonna go no thanks and click on no thanks, and it will take us onto the page that will install our software for us. So we'll go ahead and click download, and then we'll wait for it to finish downloading. 3 or 4 options, so we're gonna go ahead and click the custom. That's what we need. We don't need a full version, we don't need a client only. What we need here is the custom version. So we're gonna go ahead and click the custom, and then we'll go ahead and click next, and it will take us to the page that we need to be able to install our application successfully. There's a little product that comes with MySQL, but what we need is the server. So we're gonna go ahead and click the first plus button, and we're gonna click another plus button, and this is what we need for the server, and we're gonna click the green arrow towards the right, and then we also need to click on the application, the plus sign, and we're gonna go click the workbench, click the plus sign, and then we'll go ahead and click the plus sign again, and this is what we need for the workbench. So we'll click the green arrow again, and the last thing that we need is the shell. So we'll go ahead and click the plus sign and click the plus sign again. We'll click the list one, and it will take us this. So these are the products that we need to install for our project, and then we'll go ahead and hit next, and it will take us to where we need to install our application successfully. So let's go ahead and click the next, and then we'll take us to where we need to go. And these are when we'll go ahead and click execute, and it will go ahead and install the server, workbench, and the shell. So now our product is completely installed. We'll go ahead and click next, and then from here we'll click next as well. And on this page you don't need to do anything. I will just go ahead and click next as well. And also this page we'll go click next, and here we need a root password. So this password is, you need to remember it since we're going to be using it throughout our project. So make sure you remember this password, and we will use it. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the password. And then we're going to click next, and it will take us to this page. We don't need to do anything. Click next, and we'll go click next, and then we'll go ahead and execute. Once we execute, it will apply all the final changes, and everything will be installed. And we'll go ahead and click finish, and that's it. It will take us to 2 pages and our workbench and our shell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next lesson.